Ready to take your home to the next level? These incredible Amazon upgrades blend modern style with smart convenience, making everyday living more comfortable than ever. From sleek organizers to clever tech to cozy essentials, you'll wonder how you lived without them. All the links are waiting in the description below. Clean air doesn't have to be complicated. This ultra-quiet purifier traps dust, allergens, mold, and odors in 6 powerful stages, leaving your home fresh and breathable. You can mount it on the wall or let it stand alone. Either way, it blends right into your space. A custom filter tackles stubborn smells from pets, cooking, or smoke. Covering large rooms with ease, it makes every breath feel lighter and cleaner. What if your laundry folded itself? This smart machine takes shirts, pants, towels, even bulky clothes, and folds them with perfect precision. It doesn't stop there. Built-in ironing tech smooths out wrinkles so everything looks freshly pressed. Compact but powerful, it saves you hours of work every week. Just feed in your laundry, and in minutes it's folded, ironed, and ready to put away. Cool comfort meets modern tech. This 8-blade ceiling fan keeps air flowing smoothly indoors or outdoors, and its silent motor makes it almost unnoticeable, except for how good it feels. You can control it with the remote, your phone, or even your voice through smart assistants. The built-in LED light creates a warm glow that transforms any space. Sleek, efficient, and powerful, it's more than a fan. It's an upgrade to your whole room. Who says you need a trip to the beach to cool off? This inflatable family pool turns your backyard into a mini getaway. Built-in seats with backrests let you relax while cup holders keep your drinks close. The tough vinyl material is made to last through splashes and play. With an easy drain plug and included cover, cleanup is quick so the fun never has to stop. Step out of the shower and wrap yourself in warmth. This wall-mounted towel rack heats your towels so they're always cozy and dry. You can control it with your phone, set schedules, or even use your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek stainless steel design is waterproof and saves space in your bathroom. With adjustable temperature and a built-in timer, it's luxury made simple. Sometimes cleaning sprays just aren't enough. This UV lamp uses powerful ultraviolet light to kill up to 99% of germs, bacteria, and mold in minutes. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs a deeper clean. It works without harsh chemicals. A built-in timer keeps you safe and simple. Compact and portable, it's an easy way to keep your environment healthier every day. Dry air making your space uncomfortable? This smart humidifier fills the room with a fine, cool mist that keeps your skin, plants, and breathing happy. You can control it by touch, app, or even your voice for hands-free convenience. The large tank runs for more than a day without needing a refill, and it's whisper quiet for peaceful sleep. Easy to clean and top fill, it's comfort made effortless. Scrubbing your bathroom just got a serious upgrade. This cordless cleaning brush powers through grime with 2 speed settings, so you can tackle tough stains or switch to gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces. The extendable handle saves your back while the rotating head reaches every corner with ease. With multiple brush attachments and hours of runtime, it makes cleaning floors, tiles, and tubs way less work. Tired of bulky plugs blocking half your outlets? This surge protector solves the problem with rotating outlets that swivel to fit even the largest adapters. It also has built-in cable management, so cords stay neat instead of turning into a tangled mess. With heavy-duty surge protection and a slim, flat plug, it keeps your electronics safe while making your setup look cleaner and more organized. Imagine having an entire gym packed into one sleek machine at home. This smart workout station combines strength training, cardio, and guided classes into a compact setup that's ready to use right out of the box. With digital weight adjustments, hundreds of exercises, and even ski-style training, it's designed to give you a full-body workout without ever stepping foot in a crowded gym. Why wrestle with bulky tape measures when you can measure with light? This pocket-sized laser tool gives you instant readings up to 98 feet with pinpoint accuracy. The bright OLED screen shows results clearly, and you can switch between feet, inches, or meters in a tap. It recharges with USB-C and handles hundreds of uses on one charge. Slip it in your pocket, measure anything in seconds, and even keep your cat entertained with its laser dot. Turn your desk into a productivity zone or a chill-out corner with just one lamp. This dual-head design rotates and bends so you can flood your whole workspace with even light. Choose from warm tones for reading, cool white for focus, or vibrant RGB colors to match your mood. Control it all with the remote. No need to get up. Gentle on the eyes, space-saving, and perfect for both work and play. Why rely on a generic forecast when you can have your own weather station at home? This smart system tracks temperature, humidity, wind, and rain in real time with no moving parts to wear down. The full-color display gives you instant updates every few seconds. You can even connect it to your smart home, triggering alerts or automations based on conditions. Stay ahead of the storm with accurate, hyper-local data right at your fingertips. Guests staying over? Or maybe you just want camping comfort without the hard ground? This raised air mattress inflates in minutes with its built-in pump, giving you a sturdy, supportive bed anytime. The 4-chamber design keeps it stable and cushioned, so no sagging in the middle. Made from tough, waterproof material, it stays firm through the night. When morning comes, just deflate, fold it into the bag, and pack it away with ease. Small changes make the biggest difference in a kitchen. This sleek paper towel holder mounts under cabinets or on walls, keeping rolls off your counter and freeing up space. Install it with sticky backing for a quick setup, or drill it in for extra strength. The matte black finish looks modern while resisting water and rust. And it's not just for paper towels. You can hang foil, dishcloths, or even utensils too. Sticky notes everywhere? Time to ditch the clutter. This desktop whiteboard sits neatly between your keyboard and monitor, giving you a reusable spot for to-dos, reminders, and quick notes. The built-in storage keeps pens, clips, and even your phone tucked away but within reach. The glass surface writes smoothly and wipes clean with no residue. Sleek, practical, and space-saving, it makes any desk instantly more organized. Too many gadgets? Not enough outlets? This tower power strip turns one plug into a full charging station. With 16 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 2 USB-C ports, you can power up to 21 devices at once. The vertical design saves space and keeps cords neat instead of tangled across the floor. Built-in surge and overload protection keep everything safe. Perfect for dorms, offices, or any tech-heavy setup. Ever tried cutting around pipes or tricky corners? This contour gauge makes it effortless. Just press it against any shape, lock it in place, and trace. It copies curves and edges perfectly. The built-in LED lights mean you can work even in dim spaces. Durable metal locks keep the outline steady while you cut. From flooring to woodworking, it's the go-to tool for tackling odd shapes without guesswork. Tired of food spoiling too soon? This compact vacuum sealer locks in freshness with just one press. It has settings for dry, moist, and even delicate foods, so everything from steak to berries stays safe. The double heat seal gives extra protection for liquids, while the built-in bag cutter and storage make it super convenient. Plus, it comes with starter bags so you're ready to go right out of the box. Lifting heavy doors, cabinets, or panels doesn't have to be backbreaking work. This clever labor-saving jack gives you precise height control with just a squeeze of the handle. Strong steel construction means it can hold serious weight while still being compact enough to carry anywhere. From installing tiles and windows to clamping boards for woodworking, this little tool takes on big jobs with ease. Keep your home one step ahead with this smart motion detector. It spots movement instantly and alerts you through your connected system. The wide-angle lens covers a big area, while the stand lets you adjust the angle just the way you want. You can even set how quickly it resets between detections. With a long-lasting battery, it works quietly in the background, keeping your space safe without the hassle. Your floors just got their smartest helper yet. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it mops too, switching modes with ease so you don't need two machines. It maps your home and learns which rooms you want cleaned and when. Pet hair, dust, or muddy footprints, it tackles them all without tangling up. Control it with your voice or app and enjoy spotless floors without lifting a finger. Scrubbing grout by hand? Forget it. This cordless spin scrubber does the hard work for you with powerful rotations that blast away dirt 3 times faster than manual scrubbing. It comes with 8 different brush heads, so you can tackle tiles, corners, sinks, or even window tracks. Waterproof and lightweight, you can use it anywhere without strain. And with a long battery life plus LED display, you'll always know when it's ready to go. Wet boots and soggy gloves don't stand a chance. This gear dryer uses warm circulating air to gently dry shoes, boots, and even helmets in just a few hours. 4 ports let you dry multiple items at once, so nothing gets left out. You can choose heat or no heat depending on the material, and set the built-in timer for worry-free use. Quiet, efficient, and perfect for year-round comfort.